If you're looking for a durable and affordable solution to replace your damaged or leaking radiator, look no further than the DWVO Complete Radiator. This direct OEM replacement part is specifically engineered to fit a variety of Dodge and Chrysler vehicles, including the 2000 to 2002 Dodge Dakota, 2, 5L, 3, 9L, 4, 7L, 5, 9L, 2000 to 2003 Dodge Durango, 4, 7L, 5, 9L, and more. With this high-performance radiator, you can expect an easy installation and a reliable long-lasting fix that restores optimal engine cooling efficiency. This radiator is built with high-density multi-louvered fins for maximum cooling, designed to perform well in both hot and cold weather conditions. Its aluminum core is crafted with TIG-welded end tanks and treated coatings, ensuring it withstands high engine temperatures, providing you with a high-quality solution that will last. With its robust construction, you can be confident that this radiator will deliver superior performance and durability, giving you peace of mind for years to come. The DWVO radiator comes with a 12-month, 12,000-mile warranty, so you can trust its reliability. The package includes the complete radiator and a user manual, making it a hassle-free experience to replace your old unit. Whether you drive a manual or automatic transmission vehicle, this radiator is designed to fit your needs. Don't let a broken radiator ruin your driving experience. Click the link in the description to buy your DWVO radiator now and get back on the road with a fully functioning cooling system.